This is a revision video and is not a substitute for attending a first aid course. Remember to always follow the guidance that was given to you during your training. Okay, we're approaching. The chainsaw's no longer operational. There's nothing about to fall on our heads. Cliff, can you talk to us? Okay. Lynn, can you get some direct pressure onto that wound? You can see he's lost a lot of blood, is already on the ground. I'm going for the cat bleed kit. Okay, the dressings need to be against skin. So I'm getting my trauma dressing out, the scissors, a lot of blood. I'm going to put gloves on. Keep the pressure on while I cut up through to the trousers. Keep that pressure on. Okay, keep the pressure on. I'm going to open the dressings now. I'm through the outer layer. I've now come through to the inner layer. Again, tear that open. I expose the pad without touching it. Okay, I'm ready. If you can take your hands away, remove that. Pressure on directly over the wound.
Want me to do that?
No, I'm good for the time being. Okay, so up over there. Now Cliff, can you just turn over onto your side a bit? Okay. So I'm on my first turn round. I'm going through that cleat. And now that pulls back tight against the wound. I need to cover both top and bottom of the dressing. If I drop the dressing, it doesn't matter. I pull tight and wrap round. I pull tight, I wrap round. I pull tight, I wrap round. Coming back up to the top, pull tight, wrap round. Pull tight, wrap round. How are you doing, Cliff? Pull tight, wrap round. Okay. Now to secure it, I've got these barbs. Hook under there. Hook under there. Okay. What's really important now, Cliff, is we keep you warm. I can also (999). Yeah, my patient is breathing. They are conscious. They've had a catastrophic bleed to the calf. We have got bleeding under control. My patient is cold. We do need assistance. Okay, we can now look. What I want you to do, Cliff, is if you can crawl into our survival bag. Okay, and now we just go monitor your breathing. Okay, let's lay you down, get down nice and low. Okay. Can you talk to me, Cliff? Yeah, okay, good. Got a hand on the chest so I can still monitor his breathing. Okay, so your key points for the trauma dressings. They have to be placed against skin. You can't put them over clothing and hope they're in the right place. Make sure that you cover all 4 edges of the sterile pad. If blood comes through the first dressing, remove it, start again, and update ambulance control that you're struggling to control blood loss. Your golden rule again, keep your patient warm.
If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.